So the next part, I will be teaching you how to operate as administrator in the reservation system. So the first thing you will do is to open the application for administrator. So this is the main page of the login page of the administrator. So it will require your email address and your password. So click on sign in to log in as administrator. So these are the navigation of the administrator. The home page, the rooms, room types, reservation, comments, amenities, reports, users, and logout. So the first one is the room. So in this page, it will show you the available rooms in the system. So these are the rooms. You can also add rooms, room name, room type, the price of the room, adult, and how many children. You can also select an image of the room. Then the next one is the room types. With the room type, these are the room types, the suite room. So you can add new room types, account name, and description. The next one is the reservation. This part will show you all the status of the guest which has been reserved. There are pending status, cancelled, checked in, and confirmed. You can view all the statuses and you have the control to change their status to view or to check out them. The next one is the comments. This this you will show in this part you will show the special requests of the guest. You can add new and delete. The next one is the amenities. So these are the amenities. You can also add new amenities, also delete amenities. In the reports, so this part you will select a particular date of the report of what will be the report. You can also print the report like this. So the users, the next is the user. In this part, you can view the user's name, the email address, and the type of the user. You can also add new user. You just input the account name, the email address, the password, and the type. And the last one is the logout portion. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy.